Hey everybody, welcome to my channel and to today's video. So I'm super excited about today's video because I have something new that I just got that I want to talk to you about. And I had seen these on another channel in a short, and they are the Maybelline Cloudtopia lip and cheek mousses. I have 6 of them. I purchased them at Ulta yesterday, and I'm here to tell you these are phenomenal. Run, don't walk. Now, if you want to get them, great. If you don't, it's okay. Get one shade or two. But right now at Ulta, I got them for buy 2, get 1 free. So I got 6, and I absolutely adore cream and lip cheek products and makeup in general. So welcome if you're new. My name is Amy. This is Dolly Mama's Daily Life. On this channel, I talk about a lot of different things because I love a lot of different things. So I'm kind of one of those weird channels where I just talk about what I want to talk about. And I know that I should probably talk about one thing versus talking about a bunch of different things. But to me, I want to do what I want to do. And it's my daily life, and I love makeup. And I love lots of other things, but today we're talking about makeup. So I got these. I got 6 of them. This is Coral Illusion. This is Pink Daydream. This is Divine Crimson. This one is Ethereal Rouge. This one is Enchanted Mauve. And finally, Toasted Sky. So I will be demonstrating for you how I put this on my cheeks and my lips. So I have 2 different colors on, you'll see in the demonstration, and I did swatch them for you. But I'm here to tell you guys, these are phenomenal. So if you love makeup and cream lip products and lip and cheek products, dual-ended makeup, like when I say dual-ended, I mean just dual purpose. So these are phenomenal. I cannot say enough good things. So make sure that you like this video and subscribe if you want more makeup content. And that is all she wrote. So make sure you watch this video all the way through. You don't want to miss the demonstration. You don't want to miss the swatches. And I will see you guys at the end of the video. Okay, you guys, so I have opened all of my new Cloudtopia lip and cheek mousses from Maybelline. Now, I have 6 of them. I got these at Ulta yesterday, and I saw them. I was not planning to go to Ulta, but I ended up going to Ulta because I had to kill time between picking Delilah up and taking her to meet some friends for a birthday dinner at In-N-Out Burger. And so I was like, what should I do? What should I do? And I said, hey, Delilah, let's go to Ulta. And we did. And I saw the display for the Cloudtopia lip and cheek mousses from Maybelline. These are new. And so at Ulta, they had buy 2, get 1 free. So I bought 6 of them. So I'm going to swatch them for you, and then I'm going to try a couple of them on. I probably will do 1 on my lip and 1 on my cheek. But let me swatch them for you first. So this is Coral Illusion. These are what they look like. I'm just going to take my finger in there. They feel really creamy. This is Coral Illusion. That right there, that's Coral Illusion. That's beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my gosh. I am a sucker for cream blushes. I mean, second to eyeshadow, I think blush is now my favorite thing, which I never thought I would say. Now this is Pink Daydream. So open this one. Pink Daydream. Beautiful, beautiful pink shade. Oh my God. Oh, these feel so nice, you guys. These are going to blend beautifully. So here's Pink Daydream right there. These are going to blend beautifully. I already can tell they're going to blend beautifully, and I can tell based on just how they feel. Like I'll be able to just do a little mixtures on the back of my hand. You guys know I like to mix colors, but that's Coral Illusion. That's Pink Daydream. The next one is Divine Crimson. I was so excited about this one. I love red blush. I think it's super underrated, and it looks really flattering on a lot of people, but this is Divine Crimson. This is a red blush, and I'm not even like joking you, but this is, oh my God, these are so nice. I can't wait to put these on my face. Okay, so here is Divine Crimson. Now, it does come off with a bit of a more watermelon kind of red, which is more flattering. It does look similar to Pink Daydream, really, because there's Pink Daydream and there's Divine Crimson. So a tad disappointed about this. I really wanted it to be more of like a red. They have 10 of these. I've got 6. I'm probably gonna go get all the other ones. That's how crazy I am. Now this one is Ethereal Rouge. I love, this was the one that I was most interested in. I believe this is Ethereal Rouge. Yeah, this is Ethereal Rouge. This one's kind of that bricky red tone that I like adore. It's kind of like a cranberry color, but it's got some like, yeah, it's definitely, okay, so these don't look super different, but that's okay. I'm still here for it. Like that one's definitely more red than the Divine Crimson and is deeper. It's like a berry. I want the colors to look like the tops. I really, really do. And I don't know that that looks like the top of the container, but alas, I'm not mad about it. I forgot the name of this one. Let me see. Okay, so this one's a mauve one, and this is beautiful. Oh my God. These sort of remind me of the putty, not putty, is it the putty blushes from e.l.f.? But what's different about these is the texture. The texture is much more, there's Enchanted Mauve right there. The texture of them is far more silky and creamy. The putty blushes are definitely more stiff. They're not as, when you put your finger in them, they don't feel like really, really smooth and like buttery. This is Toasted Sky. I'm excited for this one. This one is definitely a more neutral tone. So we're gonna do Toasted Sky. Okay, I can tell I'm gonna love this one. Oh yeah, this one's beautiful. Toasted Sky is the one down on the bottom. It's kind of like a brownish, what you call it? Rosy brown, which is one of my favorite things. Okay, so I've got my swatches here. I, so far, love the texture of these. Now, a lot of these look super similar. I don't see a lot of differences between a lot of these tones, which is kind of disappointing. I think my favorite one is probably Toasted Sky, Coral Illusion, and the Ethereal Rouge, which is this one over here. But yeah, alas, here we go. All right, so I'm gonna grab my little e.l.f. Putty Blush Brush. I love to use these for my blush. So I am gonna just dip straight into the container. I have Pink Daydream here, so I'm gonna just dip it into the container. And I'm not gonna tap it off on the back of my hand, but I'm just gonna dip it into my container, and I need a mirror. Hold please. Well, these blend incredibly well. You don't need much, obviously. I mean, look, that is a huge color payoff. Blends beautifully. I love it. I love that. I think that's so pretty. Let's do the other cheek. Let me make sure that I close this up so these don't dry out. Make sure you keep the lids on them really nice and tight because it is a cream product, so you don't want it to dry out. Okay, so this, like I said, is Pink Daydream. This is the one that Delilah picked out. I would not have picked this one out because I'm not a big pink fan, but this is stunning. It's very pigmented. You do not need very much, like literally tap your brush in there. This is the, like I said, is the e.l.f. Putty Blush brush. I use this for all my cream blushes. Literally all of them. Okay, so this is super pigmented. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Real Technique sponge and I'm just going to dab over it just to make kind of like pick up some of that excess color because it is really, and maybe blend it down a little bit. Very pigmented, but very beautiful. I really like these. I think I need all the shades. Okay, but the question is, would these be different on the cheek? And my thought is yes, because they are different in the pot. Okay, so there's that. Now I am, because I love this kind of color, I'm gonna take Toasted Sky on my lips. So these are a lip and cheek mousse. I would assume you can use these on your eyes too. I love multi-use products. I'm gonna do a video all about that. But I'm gonna just take my finger in here in the Toasted Sky shade and I'm going to just apply it with my finger. These are so nice. I love these. I think, personally, this is one of the nicest formulas I've ever encountered, cream-wise. And I know I'm only trying them for the first time, but you know when you know. Like, you know when you know. And I didn't add any extra product. And I do like applying my lipstick with my finger. I feel that it really gets into all of those fine lines in your lips, and it just gives you a nice, really kind of almost blotted effect. And don't underestimate the power of blotting your lips, because you do want to get that color on your lips, but you do want to make sure that you don't have any excess unnecessary product on your lips, because that's when you're going to get transfer. These are stunning. I'm so happy with these. I think I gotta go get the rest. That is Toasted Sky. This one right here, the brownie rose color. I'm a fan. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup. So once again, here are the swatches. Like I said, I have 6 of them. This is Coral Illusion, Pink Daydream, that's the one I have on my cheeks, Divine Crimson, Enchanted Rouge, or Ethereal Rouge, I should say. This one up here is Enchanted Mauve, and this one down here is Toasted Sky. So I'm wearing this one on my cheeks, the Pink Daydream, and this one on my lips, the Toasted Sky. Love these. I am a huge fan. So let me do the rest of my makeup, and I will come back, and I will give you whatever final thoughts, or just do my outro, one of the two, because you guys can tell how I feel about these. These are winners, in my personal opinion, and I want the other 4 shades. So stay tuned, you guys. I'll be right back. All right, you guys, I hope you found this video helpful. I hope that you, okay, you guys, that's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful, and that you liked it. Make sure you like it if you did like it, and subscribe, and also share with a friend. I love having you all here. You're part of the DMDL crew. We're a small but mighty crew, but we would like to grow. So share the love. So I'm going to leave you with this one final thought. These are so good. I cannot even tell you. This is like an old school, like potted rouge that your mother would have. And I am here for it. So here for it. The texture is beautiful. They just feel so nice on the skin. They feel nice on the lips, which is really good. So I think these are excellent, and I highly recommend them. So like I said, they're available anywhere Maybelline is sold, but at Ulta right now they're buy 2, get 1 free. These were $9.99. $9.99. I cannot believe the price point of these. I think that's an excellent price point. I would normally not think so, but knowing that I got 1 free for every 2 that I bought makes me want to go get the rest of the shades. So I'll probably buy 3 more. I'm not even joking you. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys found it helpful, and I hope you learned something new. Make sure, like I said, you are subscribed, and I will catch you in my next one. So Borhe Finger Hearts, apropos, you're awesome and amazing. Make sure that you go out in the world, be a good human, be kind, be loving, accept others, and love others as Jesus has loved you, and treat others as you would like to be treated. Okay? Because kindness goes a long, long way in this world, and we all need more of it. I'm going to leave you the blessing. Go in peace, love, and serve the Lord. Amen, Jesus. And may the force be with you always. Okay, you guys? Take care. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!